Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your phishing awareness with Proofpoint detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your phishing awareness with Proofpoint, start by understanding what phishing is. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers impersonate legitimate entities to steal sensitive information. Before diving into the tools, familiarize yourself with common phishing tactics. Know the signs of phishing emails, such as misspellings, urgent language, and unfamiliar sender addresses. Next, log in to your Proofpoint account. Once you're in, navigate to the Security Awareness Training section. Here, you will find a range of resources designed to educate users about phishing risks. Choose the introductory course on phishing for a foundational understanding. Take notes during the course to reinforce what you've learned. After completing the course, proceed to the phishing simulations offered by Proofpoint. These simulations will send fake phishing emails to users to test their awareness. Analyze the results after the simulation to identify areas for improvement. Encourage your team to discuss their experiences with phishing simulations. This open dialogue can help foster a culture of security awareness. Review additional scenario-based training materials provided by Proofpoint. These materials illustrate real-life phishing attempts and the correct responses to them. Make sure to stay updated on the latest phishing trends. Consider implementing a regular schedule for phishing awareness training. Repeat training sessions ensure that knowledge remains fresh and top of mind. Finally, measure your team's progress over time. Use the insights gained from simulations and training completed. This assessment will help you adapt strategies to further enhance awareness. With consistent effort, you'll elevate your phishing awareness with Proofpoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.